youth truck. Give me that. Give me that. Oh my. Bentley. Oh no, Jacob.
There was quicksand over there.
Quicksand.
Only this year.
Don't recommend going in the quicksand? Dude,
I don't want to go
why?
in the quicksand.
You ready? Excited? Ready? Get out there. All you got, babe. Okay? Fine. You ready? Excited? Muddy. It's gonna be a muddy race. Luck, I love ya. Okay.
Thank you so much for safety and protection today, guys. For each and every rider here. Be with them. Give these guys the stamina they need, the uprightness that they need, Lord. Help them in these conditions. We just pray blessing over them now. In Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen.
And now sing over that. On you today to stay on this course. You guys are awesome. All right? Catch you next Tuesday for the GA.
Jackson's passing Owen. Bobo's moving.
I can't tell now.
Bobo just went up there.
So the rest are ahead of him. So where are they going to come back down? Out.
I
Over
have
there.
no idea.
And then back through here.
Yeah, up through there.
Look how.
I guess this is the girls. Last year, some of the kids were clearing this jump here.
Lucas did not have a good start.
No, I didn't see.
He was stuck. He was stuck in the mud. A lot of them were though.
Yeah. Let's see. This isn't going to be a good race for Lucas.
This got me number one right here. The first kid back through.
Yeah. There's first or second. He's probably going to jump too.
He's gonna catch him. I don't know. He's right on him. Oh, here they come. Here they come. Third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Can you put the umbrella up over us while it's raining this hard? Jacob, sit here by the umbrella.
I bet you I'm gonna try to play.
I don't think our boys are top 10 today.
There's Lucas. Lucas and Jackson.
Go! Go!
That kid took a shortcut.
Go, Jackson! Go, Lucas! Go!
Was that Bo?
No. Was it?
That was Bo.
Holy mother, I didn't even recognize him. Oh, poor Bo, I didn't yell for him. Where'd he go? Where are
Right
they?
there. Bo's right there.
Go, Bo! You're doing
I'm not.
doing it on purpose.
The wind is fighting it.
That's Owen. Go, oh! That was Owen, right?
Yeah. That kid with the green mohawks uses top 3.
Jacob, you're cheering on your boys? Oh, you always cold out here. It's alright, they're almost done. Look, here they come.
That's the bike we gotta get for Jacob. E2. Oh, sometimes the underdog.
Oh,
Oh, she crashed.
she fell down that hill there.
Oh, she went straight down
Straight
that
down that crest. From up there, down.
Oh, shit.
Alright. Poor thing. Good thing that guy was with her. I don't know if it's her dad.
There's first. I guess tie-dye, the kid in the tie-dye didn't catch him.
Yeah, he was he was close. Now
There he is.
not too far behind.
That kid rides the track better, but I guess the other kids are better in the woods.
For them to come out over there.
Yeah, look at it.
Go Jackson! Woo! Go!
He's getting it.
He's riding great. There's Lucas. He's Go, 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 go! Bobo? Bo, Bo, Bo!
Mom, I want to walk.
Here comes Bo, honey.
Wow.
Comes. Yeah, Bo! Go, go!
Yeah.
Yeah, go, Lucas, go! Go, Bo! Go! Lucas. Go, Lucas! Go! Go, Bo! Yes! Good job, Bo! Go!
You got a tree hanging off.
Always.
I gotta go this way.
Go! Just picking the dirt off you.
Think I stood next race?
Go away! Woo! Yeah, Lucas, you're done, buddy. Good job. Good job. Boys, how happy are you?
Very. I'm very happy I placed.
Woohoo! Good race. You have fun? Was it a fun track? The woods look kind of hard.
It was very hard. I had to pull this thing 2 times to clean my goggles.
Oh yeah, there was mud flying everywhere.
I feel. But there's mud in my mouth. Look at my goggles. They're perfectly fine.
Not too bad. They're splattered.
And then look at ours.
Yours are a mess. Yours are kicking up a lot of mud. I'm so proud of you.
Here, I see one of the.
No one got hurt. Grateful.
I ran over a kid.
So both.
Spectating allowed out in the mountain as long as you're in a designated spot here. Viewing the track, that's legal, but not out and about like it used to be. This is the new Jersey, so it's all new insurance.
All right, we're gonna go up there. Good luck, baby.
Just where the industry's going.
Good luck. Okay, have a good race. Good luck, Jackson.
Thanks for the sun coming out, clearing up, making it a little
Good luck, buddy.
nicer for
Have a
us.
good race.
Appreciate that.
Boys got the candy boy club.
Why stick around so much? Did you take this one under bag?
Probably took Lucas's.
Hi guys, it's the Green and Bus. Okay, well, what Dirtbike racing.
Oh boy.
I didn't get it finished because my chain kept falling off.
Yeah, what happened at your race, Bo?
My chain kept falling off and then I had to go to pit.
Aw, you did a good try though. We had a good race.
Oh my Go, 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 go!
You got dirt flying? There's Lucas. There's Jackson. See him? Seconds, guys. what kids have it.
That kid got mud on you.
Oh yeah. That was all the. One of ours. Good save. They did a trick.
Hell yeah.
Jacob.
Oh my God.
Jacob, look here. He's gonna fall asleep. He's gonna fall asleep. He looks like he'll pass out. I hope something didn't happen to their bike.
Yeah, they don't know where to cross.
Go, Lucas, go!
That's Jackson. Where?
What, you want me to hold this? 1 second, I'm watching your brother. I'm watching Jackson. Is this him right here? No.
Second one.
There's all dirt on this, buddy. You want to eat this? Yeah, Jackson! Go, go, go!
Yeah.
Yeah, look how much he caught up.
So you don't.
He doesn't know, Rob. He's out there.
I didn't know it was him. I saw Lucas. I didn't see him. Let's see if he bails. Oh my God.
I'm backing up. I'm not doing that.
Uh-oh, Lucas.
Oh, Lucas down. How come there's running?
Lucas!
Oh,
Well died.
Bo.
Lucas!
That's Jacob's last outfit I packed. I packed him 4. That's his 4.
I got a foot full of water.
Jacob, what are you doing?
Jacob, belly flop!
Don't
tell him that. Oh, wait,
Oh, just wonderful. Color white, and now you are the color brown.
What happened?
What happened to you?